Looking for a highly equipped, compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Sport in Sting Gray. With automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, manual 6-way adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5598.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.